everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So before we start with our tutorial, please subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos. So in this video, we're going to learn how to play the song Shallow. This song is very easy because we're just going to need 5 chords. By the way, I have my capo on the 2nd fret of my guitar, but you can play this song with or without capo. So the 5 chords that we only need are G, A minor, C, A minor, and D. That's it. And for the strumming pattern, I'm just going to use this. It's down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? On your last down, you're going to switch to your next chord. Okay? Like this. So let's now proceed to the first verse. For the verse, the chord progression is E minor, G, C, D, E minor, G, C, and D. And if you're going to play it, it will sound like this. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? There. For the refrain, the chord progression is E minor, G, C, G, E minor, G, C, and D. There. I'm falling. Know the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. After that is the chorus. The chord progression for chorus is A minor, D, G, E minor, A minor, D, G, and E minor. There. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Rush to the surface, then I get hurt, fall from the shallow now. After that is the bridge. The chord progression for the bridge is A minor, D, G, E minor, A minor, D, G, and E minor. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, from the shallow now. This time, let's play the song from the beginning going to the end. forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos.